Here is how to create a new Apple ID. Now, if you wanted to a different or a new Apple ID, it's easy to create one directly on your phone. I walk you through all these steps. So you are going into app settings. I just open it, and if you tap on your profile icon over here, you will see your current Apple ID. So to create a new one, you should go to any browser on your device. It can be a Chrome browser or Safari browser. I just open up a Safari browser. In Google search, write appleid.com, and you will see first a link. Proceed to it. It's basically not hard to locate. And then tap on this little icon over here, and you will see option sign in, create your Apple account, and just proceed to create your Apple account. Alright, next step, what we can do, is create your Apple ID account. So first of all, fill first name, last name, current region, select from this specific list. Next step, select your birthday, day, year. You can change this specific your birthday in any time. And here you will be able to a new Apple ID. Here you should enter your email account. Your email account should be not like on your current account. As you can see, in your Apple account should be different. So you should create before you go to your Apple account to create here information to fill. You should create a new Gmail account. I would recommend you create a Gmail account, but you can create in any account on mail. So when you create mail account, you fill here your email account, and it will be your new Apple ID. Then fill new password 2 times for your new Apple ID. Then of course you should enter your phone number, because if you don't enter your phone number, you can't verify. Then select verify with text message or phone call. Also you can enable or disable this specific option, that announcement and Apple Music TV and more. You can disable it or enable for your choice. Then enter type of the characters in the image from here enter it, and last you should tap on continue. When you tap on continue, to your email or to your phone number, Apple will send a verification code. You should enter this specific verification code on this specific site. So when you verify that you are really a human and not a robot, you will create a new your Apple ID account. And you should notice your new Apple ID account will be same like your new mail. I would recommend again create a new mail on Google